Hi guys, I'm posting a travel video after a long time, and today I'm at Nanjing, and I thought like I can make some travel and shoot some videos. It's been a long time, and this time I bought a GoPro 9 and I'm more excited to take a video with my GoPro 9. And moreover, like it is said that Nanjing has history of histories, like a lot of things have happened in Nanjing, so it will be like more interesting for me also to know about the city and to take a tour of this Nanjing city. So we are now at Ming Ling. It's one of a scenic spot at Nanjing. As I said before, Nanjing is a birthplace of histories in China. So this is a place. It's a tomb of the founder of Ming dynasty. The founder of Ming dynasty is Emperor Zhu Yuanzhang. So he is the founder of Ming dynasty itself, and he has been buried here, and it's a tomb of him. So let's go and see it. You could see the characters. So like in ancient Chinese, they used to read from right to left, but now we are reading from left to right. So this means like Sishang Ming Taizu Shumo. So this means like the tomb of the Ming dynasty founder is like in this mountain. There is actually like if you could see, there is a mountain behind this. Now you could see behind me is the mountain. This is the mountain where like the Ming dynasty founder Zhu Yuanzhang's tomb is here. It is said that it's been 600 years buried here, and there are like a lot of mysterious stories behind it, and no one has like disturbed it. So as long like I was in assumption that like they have built a place inside the tomb and everyone are like walking around. It's not like that. Like we walked around like an hour, and there like which you would have seen, like that was my way towards this place. And if we come, and this is the end of the building, and here you could see the behind. They say that is the tomb.
go.